So it's 8 p.m. and then nagyaya si wife para mag-dinner kami, and then we are planning to go to Mama Luz or mag-check kami ng iba pa. So medyo masakit yung paa ko since naka-rubber shoes ako kanina. And this is the perfect time to use this recovery sandal. Kasi maglalakad na naman kami sa Venice Mall. Malayong lakaran naman. So tara. Ready, Darjeeling? Oh, see? After long work, titreat tayo ni wife dito sa Mama Luz. So we are here now sa restaurant and it's 9 p.m. So imagine yung day natin, no? Simula kanina umaga, meetings, branch visit, and then ngayon we are using the Pose recovery clogs. So sobrang solid nito. Kasi ngayon parang para ako nakapalang kasi parang foam lang yung inahapakan mo kapag gamit. Recommend this one. So maraming colorways, I think tatlo. We have black, khaki, and then beige. Hindi ko lang sure kung may green ata or something. So you should try.